Hey guys, welcome to another UCLA UC Chemicals tutorial. Today we're going to be covering sublocations and jumping right in. Sublocations can best be defined as locations within a room where you keep your chemicals, such as a cupboard or a cabinet. Once you're logged into UC Chemicals, go down to the very last option under your inventory that says Inventory Summary. Once the inventory summary page has loaded, scroll all the way to the very bottom. You'll see a sublocations category. Go ahead and press the plus sign off to the right hand side of the screen. You'll see options that come up that ask you for the building and room number, as well as what hazards are associated within the sublocation. Name of the sublocation. This should be specific to the sublocation within your room. The temperature, which can be set as ambient, and the pressure that is also set to ambient. If you need to change them, just go ahead and click on the name and you'll see the drop down list with the options. I'm going to go ahead and set up my sublocation. Once that's done, you'll see the sublocation underneath your room, along with the hazards associated with it. If you wish to edit this sublocation, go ahead and click the three dots off to the right. You'll get that edit option, and you can edit the sublocation as needed. I'm going to go ahead and remove the hazards. And now you can see that my edits are done. To remove the sublocation, click remove, and then confirm that you wish to remove the sublocation, and that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.